I'm here to present you our tutorial to use epoxy resin and alcohol.
In this project we are made some pendants, and to do this we need a silicone mold, epoxy resin, alcohol inks, we need some pieces of wood, the glue to stick them together, a heat gun, some sandpaper, and components for pendants like chains, some rings, and that's
Imagination.
Imagination, fantasy, creativity,
Stupidity.
and love, a lot of love. Okay, I hope you can see it. This is the starting idea for the pendant. We will have some wood on top where we put the ring to put in the chain, and then on the bottom, the second part is made with resin, and we'll color it with some alcohol inks. Of course, it won't be exactly like this because they're moving their own way, but this is just to have a starting idea. Okay, first of all we have to stick some pieces of wood together because we had this from Resin, but as you can see they are too thin, and resin and alcohol inks need some depth to make some good effects. So we'll stick them together and then we paint them to have a more natural effect.
The glue is dry, and now we start to paint it, and we use the same alcohol ink we use on the resin. It's enough to put some drops and help you with a brush. Okay, it's dry. Meanwhile, I've prepared two other pieces using the different pieces I found in Resin kit, which have different shapes, and I mixed together in this way and paint with the same alcohol inks in different autumn colors. This one and that one. Now we have just to put it in the mold. Be careful, this is the front part and this is the back, and you have to put the front part on the back of the mold, put in the corner. So this part.
Okay, now we can mix the resin. This is an epoxy resin coming from Resin. Here you can see the name. We have to mix them in with a ratio of 2 parts of the A component and a part of the B component. We have some cups included in the box, in the kit. So it's very easy. You have 10, 20, 30 milliliters. I think that for 3 pendants we'll make a total of 90 milliliters of resin, and I think it will be enough or a bit more than enough. But it's always better to have some more than some less. Now the most scenographic part of the of the work will start. And Alessia is pouring some alcohol inks in the resin. Just some tiny drops, not too much, because you have to keep a balance between resin and hardener. to wait, they say 48 hours for the resin to cure well, and then we see 2 days to see what happened with our pendants. Bye bye! Okay, we waited for like 48 hours. We can demold our pendants. We did 2 more pendants using just small amount of ink, because we saw in the first ones it was moving a bit too much and going too wider, so we made a try with less color.
So we are ready to finish our 3 pendants. We made 3 different pendants with 3 different grades of transparency, and we need chains and little rings and the sticks to fix it.
There are small sticks, I don't know, with a small hole on top.
Okay, and a little drill and
some pliers.
Okay.
First of all, you have to, we start with this one, maybe. We take it, we'll make a small hole here on the top corner. It will be a bit hard, but slowly you can do it.
Slowly you can do it.
Okay, they are finished. As we told you, we put the stick on the middle, the ring and the chain. In the middle one, we put also a couple of pearls in the ring to customize it. They are always from Pearls & Co. They are in the same colors of the pendant, so we thought it was fine to add them.
Yes,
just to show
we
you
can
something.
Add everything.
You can add some
feathers and beads and charms, and also change the shape, the material, and the length of the chain. You
can customize everything with these pendants. It's just from your fantasy and your creativity.
Yes.
And that's it. Thank you for watching our tutorial.
Our first tutorial.
We hope to see you again if you liked it. And thank you, Pearls & Co. and thank you, everybody. Bye.
Bye.